What's up everybody? Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm making a chicken parmesan sandwich, and I'm gonna show you just how versatile it is when it comes to pairing it with the wine. Let's make the sauce first. I've got my pot here and I'm gonna start with some olive oil. Got some onions and some garlic. I wanna saute those up for a couple of minutes. I don't want them to brown or anything. I just want them to become fragrant. I'm gonna add in some crushed red pepper. I've got some crushed tomatoes. I'm gonna season it with some fresh cracked black pepper, salt, and I've got some dried oregano. I'm gonna bring it up to a little boil and then I'm gonna reduce it to a simmer. I've got a simmer going and I'm gonna simmer this for about 30 minutes. I moved the sauce to the stove. Let's go ahead and get this chicken breaded up. I've got my chicken breast here and I lightly pounded them out with the meat mallet. I've got 2 eggs and some milk. Get that combined. Got my breadcrumbs here. Got some garlic powder, oregano, finely grated Parmigiano Reggiano, a little fresh cracked black pepper. Get that mixed together. So now to bread the chicken breast, I'm just gonna dip them in the egg and then the breadcrumb, and then we're gonna allow them to sit for about 5 minutes or so before I cook them. I'm gonna season the chicken breast with some salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Press the breadcrumbs in there. And I'm just gonna hold them on this wire rack in this pan here. All right, my sauce is done and I wanna finish it with a little fresh basil and a drizzle of some olive oil. A little fresh basil there. And just a little drizzle of olive oil to finish it off. All right, that's it. Let's talk about the wine that I'm pairing with the chicken parmesan sandwich. I've got a 2021 Wayfarer WF2 Pinot Noir. This is from Sonoma County. This is very much a general pairing. I'll tell you why in a second here. Let's just get some in the glass. All right, so I literally just looked to see what I had open because this dish is extremely versatile. What you're looking for with this dish is you're looking for a wine with medium to high acidity. You want medium to low tannins, and you're looking for something preferably with some notable fruit. You don't want to do anything high tannins like a Cabernet Sauvignon or anything like that, because high tannins is gonna clash with the tomato sauce in this dish. So let's check this out. So it's really dark in color. Earthy on the nose. Getting dried flowers. Very fruity, it's a fruit bomb. Give it a taste. Medium bodied, medium acidity. Medium tannins, medium to low tannins in actuality. So what we're looking for, and again, this is a general pairing, we're looking for something with low tannins, we're looking for something with medium to high acidity, and we're looking for something with some notable fruit. The medium to high acidity in this wine is actually gonna pair very well with the tomato sauce. And we also want something that's with a little bit of acidity to cut through the fat in the chicken. I think we got a winner here. In pairing a wine with your chicken parmesan sandwich, it doesn't have to be this Pinot Noir, it doesn't have to be a Pinot Noir at all. Just find something with medium to high acidity, medium to low tannins, and it doesn't even have to be a red wine if you want to be a little adventurous. Try a white wine with medium to high acidity or a sparkling wine. Be a little adventurous, think out of the box. but we're gonna see if this pairs. All right, I'm ready to put my chicken parm together. I've got a cast iron pan here with some hot oil. I'm gonna get my cutlets fried up, and I'm also gonna slice these open and get these toasted up back here on the stove. All right, let's put them together. Take our marinara, put some of that on the bread, on both sides. Parmigiano Reggiano on the bottom. Some basil. Chicken cutlet. And some cheese. I'm gonna tear the cheese and strategically place it right in the middle. I don't wanna smother the chicken. Right in the middle. And this goes under the broiler for a second. A little more Parmigiano Reggiano right on top of that. A little bit more basil. My chicken parm sandwich is done and I'm ready to dig in. Delicious. Love the tangy sauce, the chewy cheese, and of course, the tender chicken. Wow. This is what we want to know. Does it pair? Wow. So as I said, I just pulled an open bottle out of the refrigerator that I thought would pair with it, and it's humming. But I got to double check. That is a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Bean, as always. Eat well.